Edward Monfort with DIYev. That's DIYelectricvehicle.com. So you can go to the website. We're going to be talking about electric vehicles, solar panels, anything that has to do with power or electricity or charging electric vehicles, things like that. So the thing we're going to look at today is solar panels. What does it mean when they say 100 watts, the volts, how long does it charge? We're going to look at the truth today because it's very hard to find videos about the truth of what you actually get and what they put on the paper, what you think you're buying. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at this solar panel. And this solar panel, as you can see, is in direct sunlight. So we're in direct 100% sunlight right now. So this is a 100 watt solar panel. So this one is going to put out about, is what they say, 100 watts, and they're going to tell you it's going to get about 20 volts, things like that. So that's what you see on the spec sheet as you buy it on eBay or China. The one we got from China, we tried two. The one we got from China was only about $90. But what they don't tell you is that the shipping is $200 for the solar panel. So we got one off of eBay. So that one was $120, and that included shipping and everything, and that eBay one, of course, shipped out of the United States. So you're much better off buying American solar panels. That's your warning. So let's go ahead and look at this. We've got a 12-volt battery. So let's see what the voltage is on this battery. So we're going to take our DMM, and we're going to look at the voltage. So it's on AC right now. We're going to click. Now it's on DC. So we're going to put the negative over here on negative, and we're going to put the positive on positive. So this battery is actually 12.126 volts as it sits right now. So that means it can take a charge. So we're going to take the positive side for the solar panel, and we're going to hook it up here. And we're going to take the negative side and hook it up here. So now let's see what the battery is reading. So we're going to put the negative here, positive here. Now we are reading 12.5 volts. That's because it is now charging the battery. See, you take this off, 12.35, put the solar panel on. It is now charging at 12.51. So that means whenever you're charging a battery, let's say you have a 12-volt battery, that means you have to have a higher voltage to charge it. So you need 12.3 or higher volts to charge that 12-volt battery. So that's what you're seeing right here. So now that you've seen that information, because we need to know the volts, we need to know the amps to get the watts. So let's go ahead and get our amps. So we're going to put it on amps. You can see it's on amps. It's on AC. So let's switch to DC. So we're going to place it over here. And to get amps, we are reading 5.65 amps. So there you go. Now we're going to go inside. So now we're going to go inside. We're going to do the math for you, show you exactly what you're getting. You saw the volts, and that means the volts under a load. And you saw the amps. That's going to be the amps under a load once again. And that's going to give you your true working watts from the solar panel. So you're going to see exactly what a 100-watt solar panel actually means and what you're actually buying. So let's go to the board. Okay, here we are. We're inside with the whiteboard now. So now we're going to take those numbers and we're going to give you your actual watts, what you get out of that solar panel. So as you can remember, we had amps, which was equal to 5.35 amps, and that was under a load. And then as we were charging the battery, the volts was 12.52. So when you multiply 5.35 times 12.52, your actual watts on that 100-watt solar panel, full direct sunlight, perfect blue sky, is 66.98. So you're looking at about when they say 100 watts, I think the best you're going to get is about 66 to 70 watts out of that solar panel. And remember, with the solar panel, you only get that for the height of the day. So you're going to get that, I think, max about 4 to 5 hours out of the day. And as you know, when it gets to dusk, I think this is just going to drop in half for about an hour. And then once you get to a little bit of sunlight, it's almost nothing. So there you go. Watch for our next videos, and you'll see what they mean when they say what they mean. Talk to you later.